Hey guys, it's AllycatlovesAG. So today I'm doing a very fun video. It is a collab with Pixie Studios. I've done two before with her. We've done DIY doll school lunches as well as Christmas and holiday DIYs. Be sure to check those out. Those will be linked in the I button throughout this video as well as in the description. Definitely be sure to check out her video. Also, if you guys came from her channel, hello. Now onto the video. Probably all too familiar with this room because I've already done a Halloween tour of this room as well as a holiday one, but now it's infested with pink, so Amelie definitely came here. So we're gonna start off with the table. It's the Our Generation table, but I spray painted the chairs white. So the table, the placemats are made out of some pink felt, and the plates are from Our Generation. I got two of these drinks, and they're pink lemonades from American Girl's Retired Sleepover set. Some heart waffles from the breakfast in bed set, Nutella because it's chocolate and Valentine's Day requires chocolate, maple syrup from the waffle breakfast set. I have a plate which has two macarons from the Tea Party Our Generation set, two macarons which are erasers, and rock candy from my back to school video with Pixie Studios, two sets of strawberries from the breakfast set, a glass of milk which I made by just taking a shot glass, painting it white, and inserting a straw, the Starbucks coffee press because it's rose gold and pretty, this drink which I made by filling it with paint and then doing some little speckles. It's like this pink strawberry smoothie or something. And then we also have this little plate of treats. I have polymer clay truffles which I made, one cupcake which is an eraser, one from Our Generation, and two Hershey's Kisses which my friend made me. I also have this little vase of flowers from the dollar store. They're fake and they also came in red. Around the little piece of art which I always have, I just have this really pretty heart necklace which this year I've cut up to make it more of a garland. And then above the table, spanning from wall to wall, is a garland. I also have a garland going down. Here I got these really cute heart clothespins from the dollar store, and once Valentine's Day hits and my dolls get their Valentines, I plan on hanging them up here. The couch is pretty plain at the moment because I still have to make a few more heart pillows for another video, but I do have this one which I've previously made right here and it's adorable. Just there. On the table, I have a little glass of milk, which is kind of similar to my last one, except it's made with some clear glue. These two little owls, which always hang around my dollhouse, but the pink one actually represents love. And then here I have a little flower vase. The vase came with the Our Generation table, and it's just filled with some fake flowers. I have this really pretty heart little thing, which I've tucked into the basket. And then we have some garland around the fireplace. I usually only decorate the main room, as you guys know, but I hung some garland underneath my vanity, so underneath the main room, but on top of the bedroom. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what's your favorite kind of chocolate, milk, dark, or white. I definitely have to go for milk chocolate because even though I do eat all three, white chocolate can sometimes be too sweet and dark can sometimes be too bitter, and milk is just perfectly in between. Please, just another reminder to please check out some of my other videos and my other collabs with Pixie Studios and go to her channel, watch her video, it's in the description because she did an amazing job and she deserves so many more subscribers than she has. Thank you guys for watching, bye!